To plop your hair with a t-shirt, lay the t-shirt on a surface with the neck of the t-shirt close to you and the shirt upside down. Drop your hair into the shirt a little bit away from the neckline. Pull the hem up to your neck and tuck it under your chin. Then take the arms of the shirt and knot them kind of at your neck. And then when I stand upright here, it's in front of my face, so I just flip that forward a little bit. I like to plop with a long sleeve t-shirt if I can, because the shirt can be much smaller if you have a long sleeve shirt and still fit on your head. So the last shirt I used was a men's extra large. This is a medium, I think women's shirt, and it leaves you lots and lots of room to tie with. So I bring it around the front to finish the knot here, and it just feels more secure.